Yep.
Hello.
Hi.
Mrs. Vega.
Yes.
I'm Brandon. I'm a nurse practitioner. I'll be taking care of you today.
Nice to meet you. This is Meatball.
Hi there, Meatball.
He's my service dog.
Oh, okay. Um, let's see here. So before we get started, I'd like to just inform you that everything we speak of today is completely confidential, will not be repeated without your approval.
Okay. Yep.
So can you just tell me your full name and date of birth, please?
Joanna Vega, October 7, 1981.
Okay. And what's your occupation, Miss Vega?
I'm a social worker.
Okay. So what brings you into the clinic today?
So last Saturday I was walking my dog on the green belt and I fell and slipped and hit a rock. I hit my elbow on the rock.
Which elbow is it?
My left elbow.
Okay. You said that was about a week ago, so 7 days ago?
Yeah, give or take 7
Okay.
days.
And that was out on the green belt, so you hit it on a rock.
Yeah, so he just took off and I slipped and fell and I landed on my elbow, and like you can kind of see that there's a little bit of redness right now, but
Yeah, it looks a little swollen.
yeah, so it's just kind of concerning because it's starting to hurt a lot more.
Okay, so the pain's actually getting worse.
Yeah, so initially when I fell down, I hit myself. It was painful, but then the next day I woke up and it started just getting a little bit more and more painful.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10 when it happened, what would you have given it? 10 being the worst pain you've ever felt, 1 being zero pain.
I would say it was about like a 7, 8.
Okay, and what is that, on that same scale, what would you rate your pain now?
It's more of a 9, 10 now. Like now I'm actually having trouble opening my hand and extending my elbow.
Okay, does anything make the pain worse other than extending? You said extending your arm?
Yeah, extending my arm, pretty much doing like daily tasks, any lifting that's heavy, even just lifting my groceries is painful.
Okay, did you seek any medical, is this the first time you've seen somebody for this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What makes the pain feel better, if anything?
I've just cold compress, so I've put some ice packs, and then I've taken some ibuprofen here and there.
Okay. So you said there's some redness. Let me take a look there. So, can you describe like how it's looked throughout this? Has there been redness and swelling?
Yeah.
Anything like that?
So, like I said, the day after, I noticed that there was a little bit of swelling. And basically, from my elbow down to my fingers, it's progressively gotten more and more swollen. And then my fingers, to bend my fingers, it's just really tight and swollen.
Okay. Have you taken any medication for this?
No, just the ibuprofen.
So you've taken the over-counter ibuprofen. How many of those have you been taking?
Like 2 a day.
Okay. Do you know the strength of those?
400 milligrams?
Okay. And just 2 per day?
Yes.
Okay.
With food.
With food. Okay. So do you have any other questions for me right in a second?
Do you think it's broken?
We may have to get some X-rays to determine that. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You.